Hey Frank, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Joan and I told her that I was going to be sending you over the screencast. And so here it is. I want to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly, go through one of your competitors' sites, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. And so right here I am on your home page, which I like the color scheme of it and it's very easy to navigate. However, there is not very much content on here at all. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. So you want to have around at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. You guys actually have 47 words right now. So we definitely want to add in a lot more content. We want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and they're going to determine whether or not the content on it will help their users find the information or the services that they're looking for. So, also, in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we want to make sure that content has an appropriate amount of relevant and high volume keywords as well so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And also, before I hop onto Google, I just noticed that your site is not secure. So, this is definitely something that you would want to take care of right away. It's usually a very easy fix. You just need to get your SSL certificate, which you can usually find from whoever you are hosting this website from. So now I've hopped over to Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is mold remediation Staten Island NY. This is a really great keyword. It brings in around 150 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so underneath the search bar is typically where we're going to see our Google ads. There are none popping up at the moment, but Google ads are a really good way to build some brand recognition and get your name out there, especially while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. So right here underneath where our ads would usually be, we have our Google Map Pack. You definitely would like to be up here. This gets you right to the top of the first page. In order to do that, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. These are all good examples of highly used, highly trusted directories. And so you want to be on more of them than these 3 businesses are right here for sure, and really as many as you can. This is becoming more and more relevant to want to be on the top here because it's a hot spot for people when they search through their phones, and more people are starting to do that. So if you scroll down, here we have our organic search results. This should definitely be your main area of focus. It's going to give you the best long-term return on investment, and that is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they're going to click on one of the organic search results. So right here, and take a look. Let's take a look at this competitor right here. And so we can take a scroll through, and I actually did a word counter search on this. They have almost 1,500 words on this page right here. So we definitely want to make sure we at least match the amount of content that they have. However, the main way you're going to get up here is through backlinks. And so a backlink is just a shout out from another website. You want to get these backlinks from high powered and relevant websites. So, for example, if a local plumbing company or construction company were to give you a backlink, that would be a really good source of power for your website. So over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest using it. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $400 a month to use it, but it gives me a lot of great information. So, for instance, we can see the competitor that we were just looking at. I typed them in. They have over 1,600 backlinks from 264 different domains, and they are ranking for almost 3,000 keywords. So we can actually take a look at those keywords. We can go through and we can see which ones apply to your business. And we can see right here the keywords that they're ranking for, how many people search for that keyword a month, what position they hold for that keyword, and how much traffic they get from it. So we can go through and we can see which ones apply to your business. As you can tell, they are based out of a lot of different areas. So we'd want to do the ones that are only based in the areas that you serve. So the same way that I just looked through their keywords, I can actually look through their backlinks as well. And so they have over 1,000 backlinks. We want to at least match that, but we really want to get a lot more. So we can go through and we can pick the best quality ones from here and then do the same with all of your other competitors and then go out and find some on our own. But we're looking for the ones that have a high DR domain rating. So over here, before we wrap this up, we're going to take a look at your site. So right now you guys have 272 backlinks from 9 different domains and are ranking for 8 different keywords. So before we wrap this up, we can just see basically all of the keywords you're ranking for have your business name in them. So if someone wasn't already searching for you, it would be pretty hard for them to find you. And so to recap, what we talked about is number 1, we want more keyword rich content. Number 2, we want to add some more citations to get you on the map pack. And number 3, we want more relevant, high powered backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this and got something out of it. If you're interested in learning more, please email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to speak with you.